Hi there! My name is Lucy, known as Sploosy on the world's largest live streaming platform, Twitch. I'm a full-time streamer, streaming at URL twitch.tv/Sploosy, and here you will find me streaming 4 to 8 times a week, doing fishing, camping, travel, and the occasional cooking at home. Sometimes even doing a catch and cook. My growing and supportive community, called the Sploo Crew, consists of positive, cheeky, but kind-hearted people from around the globe.
Man, you guys are such... What?
Yeah, you should start it in dinner now so it's ready for tomorrow night.
You're probably right.
Shut up!
To give you some stat information, over the past 30 days, as of the 17th of May, I have streamed 127 hours, and in that time, I've had 171,907 views. This is a breakdown of where most of my viewers come from, so you can see they are mostly Aussies and Americans. And here's a quick snapshot of my other social media stats. In the past 30 days, I have grown on Twitch by 3,509 followers, so my discoverability when I am live and my growth is pretty good, I think. My channel has had a total of 1.88 million views so far. When I can afford to, I like to travel around different parts of the western coast of Australia, with hopes to travel more around the country. My content is mainly focused around fishing, but I would love to travel and camp more.
Oh, yes!
I do rely on voluntary support from my viewers, and I can't thank them enough for keeping me afloat.
Oh my god.
Sadly, at times costs can get tough and limit me from more trips away or producing a wider variety of travel content. I'm looking for companies that would like to have their logo appear on my stream from time to time, have my bot automatically posting information in the active chat about the products or equipment that I use. I'm happy to wear merchandise in the way of clothing to display your logo. I can also have a panel, which is something that sits below the stream. A lot of people will go down into the section to see what's there. I have a Rode Microphones panel, so I can put whatever text I want in there. I have URLs to their website, and I have URLs to their products that I also use.
Shimano Stella, nice piece to get that. Yeah, it looks fancy as hell.
Just products being used and are visible on stream gets people talking, and as you can see here, I'm fishing with the Shimano Stella reel. Sadly, that's not mine, but hey, the results are in. Look at that beautiful fish.
That's a good one. That's probably about 3.5, 4 kilos.
Yeah, sweet. Happiness made my day better though, because I didn't have it. Oh, I'm sorry about that, Dawson. Well, I'm glad. That makes me happy to hear. I would love to talk more about my community, the Sploo Crew. I adore those guys so freaking much, and I would like to talk more about my goals for the year. I'm just trying to keep this video a little short and sweet. Well, I'll tell you one quickly. We're aiming for 1,500 fish caught on stream this year. Last year we hit just over 1,000, so we've bumped that goal up. Anyway, if you are interested in supporting me as a content creator while improving your brand awareness, building your prestige, and increasing your sales, then please feel free to drop me an email at sploosyinquiries@gmail.com, and I will get back to you very quickly. Cheers, thanks for watching this video, and hopefully we'll chat soon.